Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Boiling points of diatomic elements like chlorine and iodine depend on intermolecular forces, so let's quickly find the best explanation for their differences right now. First, we must recognize that both chlorine and iodine are nonpolar diatomic molecules, meaning they only experience London dispersion forces rather than permanent dipole-dipole interactions or any hydrogen bonding. Next, we look at the periodic table to see that iodine has a much larger electron cloud than chlorine because it contains many more electrons in its outer shells. This larger cloud makes iodine more polarizable, creating stronger temporary dipoles that lead to a higher boiling point. That makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushed decisions. Trust given data about electron clouds and polarizability for success.